Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the ultimate guide to keto for rapid weight loss. What is the keto diet? 1. The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low carbohydrate diet designed to put your body into a state of ketosis. 2. Ketosis occurs when your body is in a state of low carbohydrate intake, causing it to start burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. 3. The goal of the keto diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis to promote rapid weight loss and other health benefits. Benefits of the keto diet. 1. The keto diet has been shown to be an effective way to promote rapid weight loss. 2. The keto diet can also improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. 3. Some studies have even shown that the keto diet may help improve symptoms of certain medical conditions like epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Foods to eat on the keto diet. 1. Foods to eat on the keto diet include healthy fats like avocado, coconut oil, and olive oil. 2. Protein sources like chicken, beef and fish are also allowed on the keto diet. 3. Low carbohydrate vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are also encouraged on the keto diet. 4. Nuts and seeds like almonds, macadamia nuts, and chia seeds are also allowed on the keto diet. Foods to avoid on the keto diet. 1. Foods to avoid on the keto diet include high carbohydrate foods like bread, pasta, and sugary foods. 2. Starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn should also be avoided. 3. Alcohol and sugary drinks should also be avoided on the keto diet. Tips for sticking to the keto diet. 1. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure you have keto-friendly options available. 2. Experiment with new keto-friendly recipes to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. 3. Stay hydrated and make sure to get enough electrolytes to avoid the keto flu. 4. Keep keto-friendly snacks like nuts and seeds on hand to avoid temptation when hunger strikes. 5. Stay accountable by tracking your progress and sharing your goals with a support system. Potential side effects of the keto diet. 1. Potential side effects of the keto diet include the keto flu, which may cause symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and nausea. 2. Other side effects may include constipation, bad breath, and changes in menstrual cycles. 3. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting the keto diet to ensure it's safe for you. Conclusion. 1. Thank you for watching today's video on the ultimate guide to keto for rapid weight loss. 1. I hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to make some positive changes to your diet. 1. Remember, the keto diet can be an effective way to achieve your weight loss goals, but it's important to do it safely and with guidance from a healthcare provider.